Oh. Hey, look. Come get it. Come get it, man. Oh, look at that man go. Come get that remote control. Come get it. Come get it.
4 inches too short.
Come on, man. Get to go the rest of the way. No, you're just gonna sit up. Oh, there it goes. There it goes, man. Here, let me see. I tricked you. Come here. Look. Oh, come and get it, man. Come and get it over here now. Come on. Come on, man. Look. Come and get it, man. Oh, look at him go for that remote control. Why you give up right before you get there? Come on, man.
He thinks his arms are a lot longer than they actually are.
Come on, man. Kate Neal. Kaden. You stretching? You in the Olympics? Oh, you like the rug better, huh? That's good. Good thing I vacuum, huh? Kate Neal. Can you smile? Can you smile? Come on, come get it. It's right there. There it is. All that work for the remote control. He's got to have it.